In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a category in your WooCommerce store. Whether you're looking to offer exclusive products, manage inventory, or simply declutter your online shop, hiding a category can be a strategic move. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process of making those selected products discreet yet accessible for any future plans you might have. First, let's start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your entire WordPress site, and from here, you can make all necessary changes and updates. Once you're on the dashboard, look to your sidebar to find the Products option. Hover over it and click on All Products. This section will display all the products you currently offer in your WooCommerce store. To focus on the specific category you want to hide, you'll need to filter the product list. Locate the filter options at the top of the product list and select the category that you're interested in hiding. This will narrow down the display only to products belonging to that particular category, making it easier for you to manage them. Now that you've filtered the list to display only the products from the category you wish to hide, it's time to use the Bulk Actions feature. This is very handy when you need to make changes to multiple products at once, as it can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Go ahead and select all the products in the filtered list. Once selected, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the options presented, choose Edit. After selecting Edit, you'll need to click the Apply button next to the drop-down menu. This will open the Bulk Edit panel where you'll be able to make changes to all selected products simultaneously. Inside the Bulk Edit panel, you'll find several fields that can be modified. However, our focus today is on the catalog visibility. Locate the Catalog Visibility dropdown and change the setting to Hidden. This setting ensures that your selected products are removed from your online store's public pages, effectively hiding the category from view while still keeping the products available in your inventory for future use or for specific audiences if you decide to share direct links. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking the Update button. This will apply the new settings to all selected products, making sure the category is effectively hidden from the main shop and search results on your WooCommerce site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden a category in your WooCommerce store. This process is simple yet powerful, giving you control over product visibility and helping you to manage your stock with ease. Be sure to use this strategic tool wisely and feel free to revisit these steps if you need to adjust the settings in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.